We're going to start more pepper plants today. Today we're going to start some Poblanos. I'm going to show you how to plant these from seed all the way through harvest. I've grown these plants before. This is actually out of this seed pack, and the plants are doing absolutely amazing. So I'm going to take 2 seeds out of this pack, and we're going to grow these in root riot. The plants take off real good in this stuff. The roots grow super fast. They shoot out from all the sides. So I'm going to put one right in the middle. Then I'm going to put another one over towards the side. And I'll just keep the healthiest one of the two. These come pre-moistened, so I don't even do anything to it after I get the seeds put in. So now I'm going to just move it into my nursery. And I place it in my nursery. I get out my high quality piece of cardboard here and write down the location of it so I don't mix up which plant is which. And come back in a week or so, see if it's taken off, see if it's starting to grow yet. But I'm going to show you every step it takes from seed to when I go on my next stage into my small tote for to start building some bigger root systems before I move it into my big bucket system. This pepper will be doing its main grow in my underneath my Medic Grow 660 watt LED grow light, and I will be running this in my recirculating deep water culture current culture system in the 8-gallon buckets. So these plants will get huge. My other plants are all 4+ foot tall. So expect to see a awesome seed to harvest with this plant. We are now on day 11, and you can see both Poblano seeds have popped open. I'll leave it in this system for maybe another day, and I'll move it on to the next step, and you'll see that here in a minute. Today we're moving the Poblano pepper into the big bucket system. He has been in my tote a little bit too long because I've been waiting to get some of my other plants I had in here moved outside, but I had to wait like a month to let it warm up outside so we wouldn't have any more frost. So this is the first day it's going in the big bucket system. He'll grow pretty fast. Once he gets a little bit bigger, I'll add a tomato cage around the system. But all I gotta do is sit them in there. He'll probably grow at least by an inch every single day. So he'll grow up to as high as these other plants really, really fast. So even within a month, we're going to see some massive growth. We are now on day 51. So it should be about another 50 days. I'm just guessing to harvest. These sat in my my tote too long, so been a little bit slow on the growth, but it should really take off now since they're on. I got them underneath my Medic Grow Fold-6 light. Give it a couple weeks and I'll add the tomato cages in. We're on day 53. The roots are looking good. I did add the tomato cages this week. I should take these some of these peppers off, but we're gonna let her roll. It's still gonna take off and grow like crazy. So we have the cages on, and I got the light adjusted to the second setting right now. So it's still taking a while to get going. I just think I got a little bit of deficiency going on here with some of my plants. So we are now on day 78, and we are starting to get our first couple of Poblano peppers on here, which I shouldn't have let come on. I've been out of town for 5 days and came back to peppers. So it's probably about time for me to turn the lights up so we get this plant some more energy so it can grow bigger. The roots are looking great in the system. I'm on day 91. We could actually pick some peppers. We have 3 nice ones on there right now. The plant looks super healthy. Slowly getting bigger. But the most important part is the plant's super healthy right now. Leaves look great. I don't know if I can get to the roots or not. So day 91, we could actually harvest a couple if we wanted to. We're on day 103 for the Poblano here. I have the light turned up to 40% now. The pepper's doing fantastic. It's really growing fast right now. It's totally covered in blooms. I'll check on our peppers down here. We do have some back in here. It's kind of hard to get back here to see them, but there's 3 nice ones there, and probably another half dozen small ones right now. This plant's getting close to 2 foot tall. This is on the back side of my system underneath the medic grow, so it's kind of hard for me to get back here to look at it right now. There it is, just hidden back in there. And underneath this light here is I even have cucumbers and stuff growing in here. There's actually a cucumber hanging right over the top of my Poblano. So this light's supporting a lot of different stuff right now to produce for me. We are now on day 125 of the Poblano grow. I decided to shoot a video here again today because trying to move this plant around. We got some really nice Poblanos falling off this plant. So it's pretty covered in peppers. Plant's super healthy. Can't believe how good this plant's doing. I'm not even running a 1.0 EC on the system. That's because I also have cucumbers in the system. Also growing underneath this Medic Grow light, I have cucumbers. As you see, we have cucumbers blocking the light from this plant even. So the plant's probably close to 2 foot tall right now. Mexican restaurant has been loving these. I sold them the last 57 of them off my other Poblano plant. So I think we'll call that 125 days from seed to harvest on this one. If you let them go, they will turn a darker color, almost black or almost a purple color. Sometimes you see pictures where they actually turn red, but I've never had any of mine ever turn red before. So I'm going to back up here so you can get a bigger picture where we're at here at this plant. There's my Medic Grow light. And Poblano pepper is way back here on the back side. And also underneath this light right now, we have my Sugar Rush peach down here. And this is my Serrano pepper. I'm about ready to pull that sucker out. It's just getting so massive. It seems like it grows a couple inches a day. And of course we got my cucumbers. I got this system's producing me about 5 cucumbers a week underneath this light. So right there's 2 right there. I just harvested these 5 days ago. And, I don't know if you can see these. They're big old cucumbers. I juice most of this variety. I do a lot of juicing. So there's my Serrano back there. Not Serrano, my Poblano. So that'll probably grow up to the top of that cage here in the next few months. I hope you enjoyed my seed to harvest with my Poblano pepper.